Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to embed a presentation into your Schoology page. The first thing you need to do is you need to have some sort of Google presentation that you are going to embed. And so an example would be like a Today in Class presentation, or a class notes page, or a class notes presentation. So here I have some class notes for my AP Human Geography class. And so when I open up the presentation, the first thing I'm going to do is I need to get the embed code from the presentation. So I'm going to go over here to File, and I'm going to go to Publish to Web. When I click on Publish to Web, it's going to offer me a link, but I'm going to click on the embed. And so I'm going to then click Publish. It's going to say, are you sure you want to publish a selection? You select yes or okay. And right here, you're going to copy this embed code. So I'm going to go copy. With that then, I'm going to go to Schoology. I'm going to find the folder that I would like to place it in. And I'm going to go to Add Material. And I'm going to click on Add Page. I'm going to title my page. And then from here, I have this box where I can type a number of things in, but I'm going to click it over here where it says Switch to HTML. And I'm going to go to, I'm going to click that button, and I'm going to switch it to HTML. And then I'm going to paste the HTML or the embed code into this box. From here, I can switch it back to visual, and I can see that I have some sort of visual. It's not going to show up until I publish it, but I'm going to be able to size it from here. And so I'm going to size mine so it's a little bit smaller. So this is how big my notes will end up being. And then the last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to want my presentation to show up automatically when students open up this folder instead of having them have to click on the page. So down here where it says Options, I'm going to click on Display, where it says Display on New Page. That's what it is right now, but I'm going to change it to Display in Line. I'm going to then click Create. And it's going to end up down here, and now this is my presentation that has been embedded. So students can click through the presentation from here. The nice thing about this is if I make changes to my presentation, they will automatically show up here because it's embedded, and it's not a static presentation. I guess the drawback of this, instead of giving the students the link, they're not really able to copy this presentation, and sometimes I've had students copy a presentation and make notes on their own. So a couple other ways in which I use this at the beginning of each of my classes. And I have a Today in Class page, which you can see I haven't updated yet. Hi, this is my 2-year-old son. Yes, hi. 1 second, Colin, I'm almost done. And so you can see that every day I have kind of what we're going to do in class and what is due. So in order to earn points for this, you're going to embed a presentation, and you're going to submit it to the assignment.